So we're putting our musical ears to the test with this one. We will hear just the intro of a popular song, no lyrics, no clues, and then we have to jump in and sing the correct song from there.
You know, I have no idea why she's saying we. I have no idea why she keeps saying we.
Come on, Nebs. Come on,
Nebs. Alone go and sing. All right.
Come on, Nebs.
Sing that tune. All right.
Let's go.
Dong, 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 ding, ding, dong, dong, ding, ding.
I've got sunshine on a cloudy day.
You see, I get all the musical opening and she do the singing. Eh? Then we get it already, you know.
I rate them right away.
We get it already.
I guess. Them never think would I get it so quick. Nebs,
Oh.
come Nebs.
Name that tune. One again. One love we have now.
Ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river.
Supremes or somebody. It's Supremes.
There in a
It's Supremes.
no matter how far.
Supremes.
Ain't no.
Who love we have now? Come again. Ain't no mountain high enough. No, it's not Supremes.
Marvin Gaye and the first version, but at the same one. Ain't no mountain high enough.
Two love we have now. Let's go.
Heard it through the grapevine? Through the grapevine, what? Heard it through the grapevine.
I had no idea.
Heard
That
it
was
through the
easy.
grapevine.
No, sir. Tree love we have now. Come again. Respect. Let's respect this. Aretha Franklin.
What you want, baby, I got it. What you need, I think so.
It's respect.
All I
How much we have full up?
just a little respect when you get home.
I can imagine the younger people them saying so to some
R-E-S-P-C-T.
pour love on the down.
So reggae boys are scored it. Come.
Yeah, come again. Boom, boom. This is a Stevie Wonder. This is a Stevie Wonder.
Me know it, you know.
Dum, 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 dum. Superstition.
Riding on the wall.
Stevie Wonder.
It's superstition.
I don't want to understand.
I just want you to, I want to clarify something. I went to church during that time, just that there was a place that played music near to me. I just don't want people to think never I was out partying as a young child. There's a place that there was, this music was when I was a tot.
You know, so we don't hear one lyric and we get all of them right. And as it come in, we get that. So come again. We're gonna, I watch about 4 love. We don't know.
6.
6 love?
Me just assess her.
Yeah. No, I think it's 5 love.
5.
Yeah, let's go.
Michael Jackson. Woo! When him a little bit.
No, this is the Jackson 5.
Woo!
This is the Jackson 5. I don't think this is Michael.
You want. Oh, baby, give me one more chance. Yeah, it's.
But you have to move them to the Jackson 5, 1969.
1960. Never even born. Me tell you one place used to play music. I was a child.
6 love. Earth, Wind and Fire. Earth, Wind and Fire.
Do you remember the very first time in September? Woo!
Earth, Wind and Fire. 7 love. 1978. Getting closer to
In the
when I
night
was born.
away. September.
All right. 7 love. Oh, no,
Never
it was
had
something
a-
difficult, no?
No, don't do that. Not do that.
Could I play one?
No.
I know this, you know. I know this.
Oh my God.
No, never go guess. You know it?
I'm not.
All right, only win one. 7-1.
Which one was
this? Who is this? Which song? Who sing that song?
The Gap Band. I was studying for common entrance. I don't know.
7-1. Actually, I don't ever know this song. I don't even know that.
I was studying.
I know the Gap Band, but I don't think I know that song.
Common entrance.
All right, 7-1.
Common entrance.
Luther Vandross. Wait name again. Wait name again. I know it's Luther, but wait name again.
I can't fool myself. I want nobody else to ever love you. You are my shining star, my guiding light, my little fantasy. And not a minute, hour, day, or night that I don't love you. Top of my list, cause I'm a
8-1. By the way, you want to say Kyle just says so. Kyle don't know one of them.
From you is never too much. Come on and give us something odd.
No,
the last time I said so, we never get it.
8-1.
Never too much, never too much, never too much, never too much.
Let's go. I think this is the Gap Band. I know this. Come on, John. Lily, I was doing come on.
I was learning Spanish. I was learning first Spanish.
8-2.
What is this one?
8-2.
Kyle, you don't know it.
Who is this?
Them don't know it either.
Man, got to give it
1977. Me just learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. All right.
I know this song, but I didn't know it was that. All right, so I'm going to win that one. 8-2. 8-2. You know that song, Kai? Oh, that's the last one. All right. Congrats, my friend. You were brilliant.
We're off to the World Cup, Neville.
As always. Something to sing about. So come.